What's up, welcome to this new video. So in today's video we'll be exploring the concept of getting a refund from Temu without actually returning the item. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I will recommend you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we'll start right after the intro. Okay guys, so as we all know, Temu is one of the popular shopping apps out there, and they are more known for the discount shopping items. So because of this, Temu has attracted millions of customers to their platform over the recent years since it first launched in 2022. So just as any other retailer out there, Temu has a refund policy to cover both its sellers and its customers. So if you need to return an item to Temu without having to return the item, you first need to have a basic understanding of the refund process. So Temu's refund process is all about following some simple steps to request a refund, get in contact with the customer service and wait for their response. And depending on their response, they will be the ones to determine whether your refund might require a return. So if they require a return of the item, they'll provide you with a return label that you can use that you can attach to your shipment and return to them for a review before they issue a refund. And what if you need to get a refund without actually returning the item to them? So it is not that difficult. So the steps to request a refund from Temu without actually returning the item are very simple. First off, you need to log into your Temu account as you see right there, and then you scroll on to the order section. This is just a demo account I've just made for this tutorial's purpose. And then you click on the refund return and followed by returning your items, and from there you will be required to choose whether you refund the item or not, and this will solely depend on Temu's customer service response. So if you are fortunate enough, Temu's customer service will reply you with a message not requiring you to return the item, and as I said, it is just on Temu's sole description to decide whether you return your item or not. And also, when you request for a refund from Temu, they will ask you, or you will be asked, you'll be prompted to choose whether you need a partial refund without having to return the item. So that's just the second way to get a Temu refund without having to return the item to Temu. So if you opt into this idea, or if you opt into this option, Temu will refund you a partial amount of the total amount you used for your order. So that is just how it works. You have two options to get a refund on Temu without having to return the item. I repeat, the first option is to follow the normal procedure, and if you're fortunate enough, Temu won't require you to return the item. And secondly, you might be required, or you might want to choose the partial refund method if you weren't fortunate to get a full return from Temu without returning the item. So let me just give you some few hints on getting a refund on Temu without returning the item. Some things that will boost your chances to get a refund on Temu without returning the item. First, make sure you aren't requesting for a refund on a prohibited or an unsupported item, things like drugs or some sort of groceries, food products, herb and personal care items, and also gift cards. And make sure you haven't wore these items, because you might be asked to send some photographs of them. And if that's just the first option for you to get the first tip. And secondly, you might want to request a refund for an item that is not that valuable, as I said earlier. And unless you are really in need to request a refund, I will always recommend you to get a refund for an item that is not that valuable, something that is not more than $20, as I mentioned earlier. And if everything goes right, you will get your refund from Temu without having to return your item. To get everything back on track, it is simple and brief summary of all what I said. So what you need to get a refund on Temu without returning the item. First, you need to follow the steps to get a refund on Temu by clicking on the return and refund option in your order section in the order tab. So after that, you just need to come to Temu and write them explaining that you need to press that you need a refund for your shipment or for your order, and after writing them, they will return to you with a response requiring you to send your order or not. And if you are fortunate enough, you wouldn't be required to return your item as the first option. And secondly, you can get a partial refund if you aren't fortunate to get your refund without returning the item. So those are the two ways to get a refund on Temu without returning the item. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget you might want to check the video description for useful links, as I've mentioned, and I've written a written guide to better explain how this process goes, and you wouldn't want to miss that out. So guys, I'll catch you on the next one.